Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how you can add Shopify cash-free payment gateway. So let's get started. First of all, log in into your Shopify store and then open your Shopify dashboard. After that, from the bottom left corner, click the settings button. And after the settings page open, click on the payments button. Now under support payment method, select add payment method. And after that, search by provider and search for cash-free payments. Now click on the activate button and then click on the connect button. Now install the app. Sign in by using your email address and password. Scroll down and select activate cash-free payments. Now open your website and checkout page. There you see the cash-free payment activation. So that's how you will add Shopify. Shopify cash-free payment gateway. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.